Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Polkadot and where it's going in the next year, in the next bull market. So right now we can see the last year has been about an 86.74% increase. Continuing to see Polkadot has really not done too well because of its recent dip. We actually saw a nice price movement up to $55.13, looking very bullish November, really early November, and we see that price that actually took a very deep and steady decline. We saw it drop all the way down to about $24, and from there we started talking about it in some of our top 5 videos and talking about that price at really a great buying level in my opinion. Now seeing $27.15, going up about $3 to $4 depending on where you guys bought. It is looking still very bullish. So with the market sentiment right now being kind of on the bearish side, we have not seen too much on the bullish side quite yet. It's very close, and we do think there's going to be a lot of volatility before we reach it. But Bitcoin's above 43K again, which is definitely a positive. Polkadot still well within the top 15. And if we take a look at Polkadot, we can see that the market cap at $26.8 billion definitely has some room for some growing. If we take a look at some of the big utility and partnerships and big things going on around Polkadot itself, the first thing that comes to mind is Moonbeam Network. Moonbeam is live on Polkadot, and they are fully excited to announce that Moonbeam is the first fully operational parachain on Polkadot. Moonbeam will actually bring many new integrations, activity, and users to light up Polkadot's ecosystem altogether. So that's going to be definitely something special that continues to be launched, like I said, with Polkadot. So I want to jump a little bit farther, not into this article, but into the next tweet. The next tweet talks a little bit more about how they are moving on the phase where we have more latitude to build things on top of Polkadot and the technologies beyond Polkadot 1.0 into what Polkadot 2.0 looks like. So a lot of people are excited, obviously, about Polkadot 2.0. Some of the big things that come to mind when thinking of Polkadot 2.0, you can actually jump into with some of these articles. If you just look up Polkadot 2.0 on Google, you'll find a ton of articles talking about it. Like I said, a lot of excitement surrounding that. I want to jump into the next tweet. So this tweet talks a little bit more about congratulations to Composable Fin on winning Polkadot's 7th auction. Composable will be onboarded at block. I'm not going to say the exact block, but I guess about 9 million. And roughly March 11th, 2022 is the big importance there. So March 11th, 2022, at the beginning of the Lease 7 with the other winners from Auction 611, over 9K network stakeholders locked up DOT in favor. So a lot of people are excited, continuing to be excited about some of these big things coming in the near future. If we take a look at BlockFi before we jump a little bit farther into Polkadot, because I want to talk about price predictions and I want to talk about a couple different articles that show a lot of importance in where we could see Polkadot going. There's BlockFi, and it's something that you guys should be all taking advantage of if you are not already. It gives you up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account, and interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and obviously then no reasons to wait as well. So the big thing here is, guys, 9.5% APY. If you think of something like Chainlink, you can't stake it quite yet. Although we do have 2022 staking coming for Chainlink, right now the best option is BlockFi. And with BlockFi, you actually can sign up using the link down below in the description. It'll give you up to $250 when you first sign up if you use my link. So definitely make sure to do so. It'll help me, it'll help you, and we'll be on our way. I want to jump back over, though, to FX Street, having a great article talking about how Polkadot needs a breather to give late investors a chance to get in. So Polkadot price dips back below a critical level in a short profit-taking phase. As global markets reassess the situation, the slightest tailwind will trigger massive investor inflows. Expect price action's current fade to be contained within the next target set at $30. So Polkadot price action set for $30, a crucial longer-term objective, and that's exactly what we want to see. A little price decrease from a nice increase and then back into a nice increase again. So if we actually take a look here at Analytics Insight, they also talk about where to buy the Polkadot coin in 2022 because Polkadot is a rising star in the crypto market that is attracting several investors. So a lot of people are looking to get involved and invested in Polkadot. If you guys are looking to get involved, they talk about some of the different ways you can involve yourself with Polkadot or, getting invested itself is fairly easy, whether you use Coinbase, Binance. I do have links down in the description below, so make sure to jump down and use an exchange that you guys maybe haven't already used just to see how it works, see if you like it better. I do like crypto.coms. I like Binance. I like really Coinbase is, the easiest to use. It just has high fees. I also have a KuCoin link. KuCoin right now, definitely my favorite. If we continue on, though, we have Polkadot prepares for a breakout that will launch DOT to $125. So People are expecting $125. I'm not going to click on their little link. FX Street does put out videos. I'm not a huge fan of them because they don't explain too much, but it's a brief technical and on-chain analysis on Polkadot price, and FX Street analysts evaluate where DOT could be heading next. $125 being what they're kind of going for. And I will say $125 is definitely a price range I think is definitely possible within this bull market. It does depend on if we do get the investors, we do get this long bull market kind of utility-based infrastructure continuing to build. But with where we're at right now at $27.20, there's a lot of potential behind Polkadot's price and where we could see it going. I want to jump over to Twitter real quick before we jump into anything else. So here in Twitter, you can see that Crypto Profit YT is my tag. You guys should all be following me on Twitter to stay up to date with crypto updates and giveaways because I am doing a giveaway right now. So here, still trying to give away that chain link. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, I will give 100 link away. All you have to do is retweet and follow this tweet to be entered. So make sure to take advantage of that. And I also just tweeted out recently, and I want to hear your guys' thoughts. So what NFT projects are you guys involved in? I do want to hear what NFT projects you guys are looking forward to. We have a lot of ILV, Wayu, Cyberwave, just a lot of cool stuff out here that people are talking about, and I want to see what you guys are talking about as well. So if we jump on back to Polkadot, obviously, like I said, there is going to be a lot of utility continuing to build with Polkadot as we get to Polkadot 2.0 and a lot of excitement for some new parachain auctions as well. So $27 right now. By the end of this month specifically, I don't think there's going to be too much price movement in crypto. I think we're going to see actually a decrease, if anything, across the board. So Polkadot, by the end of this month, may see about a $25 to $28 price point. I think that's going to be well within a nice little value range for Polkadot. Do you remember, guys, if this value stays still, you're still making quite a bit of money with Polkadot because of the nice APY percentage of 12 to 14%, depending on where you stake. And that's going to give you a nice little annual percent really income there. I do want to jump into the end of the bull market, though. A lot of people talking about the end of the bull market. Where and when will it end? Well, realistically, none of us know. We have not started up officially back into a bull market run yet. A lot of people are kind of explaining that this may be a longevity. We may see 2 to 3 years in this bull market as we slowly haven't really done much in this last couple of months. Realistically, I mean, some coins have performed very well, like Cosmos Atom. If you look at Avalanche, some of these coins have done very, very well. Not all of them. And Polkadot is one that I do see doing very well in later in this bull market. So 2022, let's just say by the end of 2022, realistically, do I think that $125 price target by FX Street is possible? Yes, I do. I think $125 is possible if we do get the investors that people are talking about, the investors that we really need to continue with this TA on its launch up to the top. $27 obviously to $125 would be a nice 5x. So put $100 in, you'll get $500 back. Do remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as nothing's really guaranteed in crypto space and everything's very, very volatile and a little bit risky as well. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on.